Right, today is exactly day 10. Day 10.
Yeah.
Still got the stitches in. There's still some swelling around the actual elbow itself, but I'm just trying to note down some of the progress I've been making as far as the motion, as far as straight down. I can't get it there yet, but that's about as far as I can get it straight. That's my other one. And we're getting there. I've just kind of been working it myself, no physical therapy or nothing. And then as far as bringing it up, I bring it up by myself. Right there. But now I can take my arm and kind of force it on over a little bit. Right there. That's about it. About as far as I can get right there.
As you're bringing that up right there, your hand and your arm's turning blue.
Because I'm squeezing it.
It shouldn't. It's going down your arm.
But that's right there. The other day, I was like
Straight.
I was like here. And now I'm getting it up to there. It's just real super tight in here. I got like a tendon or something that's like popping off the elbow in there. I don't know if it's normal or if it'll be strengthened back up or what, but I believe if all this swelling goes back down, I'll get some more progress. But you can see there, I've got that much there. Okay. And now I'm going to take it down. Right there. That's about it right there. All right. Day 10.